Hi there, ready for a little more faith and salty science?
Oh, holy smoke! Can someone open a window, please? Holy Smoke, exploring faith and science.
Hi there, I'm Faye, otherwise known as the Batty Boffin. Today we're going to be looking at how you get salt out of salty water. And for that we're going to need some cling film and a marble. Come with me and see how. So here's what you're going to need. We're going to make a thing called a solar still. So we're going to be doing distilling. So what we're going to need is, first of all, some salty water. I've got some water there with salt in the bottom, and I'm going to put that in the bottom of my jug, just swirl it around a bit to get a bit more salt in there. So there's my salty water. Let's just have a taste. Ugh, oh yeah, that's definitely salty, that is. And then a small mug, that's going to be there to collect the fresh water when I've made it. And finally, some cling film. Let's see if I can get that over the top. Now you will also need a sunny day for this, which I understand can be tricky if you live in Britain, as I do. So if you don't have a sunny day, you can speed this process up slightly by using hot water in your solar still and microwaving it for a little bit, which just replicates the hot day. So there we go, with our bowl, salty water in the bottom, some kind of, it could be a mug or a small bowl to contain what we hope is going to be the fresh water, and then a marble or something similar in the middle. Oops, that needs to be in the middle. Go on, go in the middle. I'll just move my mug, actually. There we go. It's important that the marble is above your container. I'm just going to swizzle that round and see if that helps a bit. There we go. Ta-da! Like that. So we're going to put that in a sunny space, or like I say, if you've got a dull day, put it in the microwave, somewhere warm. And I'd like you to see if you can work out what's going to happen. Here's the pause. So in the best Blue Peter tradition, here's one I made earlier. Now you can see on the cling film here, we've got a lot of little droplets of water. And this is equivalent to the same thing as the water cycle, if you have been doing that at school or you remember that from school. The water at the bottom is evaporating and collecting up on this surface. The marble is simply to make it dip down so that it runs down. In fact, if I wobble this marble around, you should be able to see some of the water kind of gathering towards the middle where it drops off. So let's have a look inside and see if we have got some fresh water there. So yeah, haven't got too much in there, but I've definitely got some water. I'm just going to pour some of that out so you can see. There is the water, and I'm going to drink it. Perfectly fresh. Not one trace of salt in there at all, whereas the water around the outside, yep, that's definitely salty water, and I made fresh water in here. So that is how to make a solar still. What a great experiment that was. And of course, if you ever find yourself stuck on a desert island, now you know how to make yourself drinking water from the salty water. And we all know how great it is to have a lovely, cool, fresh drink on a hot day. And the psalmist talks about that as well. This is Psalm 42. He says, "As a deer longs for a stream of cool water, so I long for you, O God." I think that's great. Just as on a hot day, you're sweaty, a lovely, cool drink of water, so refreshing. And it's the same when our souls are dry and thirsty for God. God can refresh us. Have fun with that, and I'll see you next time.